Okay, so I went out walking this morning, but now I'm about to go and pick up my sister, and we're going to go see my dad. Then we're going to go over to a park and we're going to do some more walking. Nothing, no power walking or anything like that. We're just going to go for a walk. I checked out the park and it has a beautiful nature trail and a lot of just nature, and I love nature. Um, so we're going to go there, and this is what I mean when I say enjoying the journey. So we're not power walking; we're just walking, talking, and enjoying each other's company, and just out. But the best part is we're moving. We are doing something. We're out there. We will be moving. So that's what I want to say to you. This is what I mean when I say enjoy the journey. It doesn't have to be, oh my God, I'm getting ready to go to the gym. Oh, I gotta get up and go walking. Oh my God, I can't have that. I can only eat carrots and celery. We're going to talk about nutrition too, but for the time being, no, enjoy the journey. Just move, just move. Get out there and walk. Get out there and just do whatever. Hey, if I saw some kids playing double dutch, I'd try. They probably would laugh, but I would get out there and I would try. Can I have a turn? I'd jump in and I would jump double dutch too. So it's just enjoying the journey, okay? All right. Bye. Have a wonderful day. And don't forget, move. Bye. Mwah.